So in this Google Slides tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to insert a curved connector line here in Google Slides into your presentation. So when you have Google Slides opened up on your device, go into your presentation, go to the top and press on the plus icon. So right beside the comment icon, press on the plus icon. And go to the bottom to where it says line and press on line. Then where it says curved connector, press on that. You've now added a curved connector line, so you can go ahead and play around with it this way. You can make it thicker or thinner by pressing on the line style button right here and then changing the line weight if you want. You can go ahead and change the line dash if you want as well, making it a dotted line. You can change the color, so if you wanted to make it red for demonstration, you can do that. Now you have a red line, and pretty much that is how you guys can insert a curved connector line here in Google Slides on the Google Slides application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.